Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NixJPEG. Today we will be discussing about PIXABay.com, wherein you can find sound effects. Like if you know that sometime when we create a project, or when we have any YouTube videos, or when we do any video editing, we require some sound effects. So you get it all in PIXABay. Like how you remember last video we discussed about videos, photos, illustrations. So today we'll be discussing about sound effects. They do have music also, but as I said, I don't suggest the music to be used in YouTube or for any reason. You can use the music for your personal projects, but don't use it for YouTube. Now you can use the sound effects from PIXABay for your YouTube. Okay, so these are the sound effects. These are the different kind of sound effects they have: cinematic intro, dark engine, okay, brain damage, okay, epic logo. So basically it is 10 to 15 seconds sound effect is there. Okay, all your that's it, and all you have to do is that click on the download option and you'll be able to download the sound. You just have to click on this and yes, your file will be downloaded. So guys, this is also a great option if you require any sort of sound effects to be added in your videos or any of your editings. You can go for the sound effects. These are only 10 to 15 seconds, so you can definitely go for it. So you have tags over here like notification, ringtone, funny. If if you are making a funny YouTube video, you need some comic or funny cartoon type of sound effects. So they all have it over here. So I can hear this. This is only for some 5-second sound. Okay, let me just check the details. This is good guys. This is good guys. You can go for it guys. So guys, you can find your funny sound effects, serious sound effects, or any kind of cool sound effects. You can find it from PIXABay. Okay, if you want to edit it for any of your videos. They have ringtone, nature, they have rain, they have birds. Okay, there are lots of sound effects are there. So you can go for this guys. Okay. So guys, they also have female sound effects. Let's just check what it is. Yes, female, sad, traggle, scream, possessed, laughters, and scream, sad, breathing. So these okay, laughters, okay, beeps of laughing, female horror, female coughing. Okay, so they do have female sound effects also. This is really cool guys, you can check it out. They have rain sound effects also. Let's just check this guys. Yeah, thunder is there, rain is there, forest is there. Guys, you can definitely go for this if you require it for any sound effects. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this site. I hope you like this tool for your video editings. Definitely you can go for this. There are lots of almost 2000 royalty free rain sounds effects. Okay, there are lots of other sound effects available, so you can go for this guys. Okay, I highly recommend this. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for joining in. So we'll meet again with the next video in the next video. So till then, thank you so much guys.